Hi everyone, have you ever wondered what could be the secret of perfect lipsticks or perfect lips? So if you are interested in this, continue to watch. Hi, I'm Imrana and you're watching Inai Pearls. Inai Pearls is my online jewelry store and I'm the founder and owner of it. And apart from my desire for jewelry and my passion, my other passion is to help women look beautiful and feel beautiful inside out. So if you're interested in topics like makeup, lipstick, the entire makeup basically, and jewelry and accessory styling and also confidence, so please continue to like, share and subscribe to this channel and I'm sure you won't be disappointed. So let's get straight into today's topic. So what is it about perfect lips? Are there any hacks, tricks? What do you think? So I'm here to share some very easy but very important makeup hacks, especially for lips. So lip makeup hacks to be precise. So let's get into the first one. First and foremost important about if you want that perfect lipstick, exfoliate your lips. Yes, like your skin, your facial skin needs exfoliation, so do your lips. Because lips often, you must have seen people, with lipstick and this part of the lip, they're looking kind of dry and patchy and dead skin and all of that. Yeah, so we really don't want that. So what's the difference between a layman applying lipstick and an expert? So well, these are some of the important tips. Exfoliate your lips with, if you can get a specific lip scrub, that's great. Otherwise, often some of the facial scrubs, like I can give you an example of what I have here. So I have the sugar scrub from the Milk and Honey collection. Now again, as I shared with you, this is an Oriflame product which is not available off the counter or shelf, but I love this company because it's ethical, it's non-GMO, it's following good manufacturing practices, it's organic, all the things that I like in a company, this particular company has it. So I use their products and I love it, and so I can really vouch for this. Now you can try any other either lip scrubs or you can also try facial scrubs. Now the thing is, take some on your hand, on your finger, and gently exfoliate. Don't be too vigorous because your lips are very delicate. So gently exfoliate them, and then after that, wipe them clean and moisturize them for some time. Leave that moisturizer on, whether you use Vaseline or any other moisturizer, and then you can get into the application of the lipstick. Okay, point number 2. Now what's the next step? So do you just straight away apply lipstick? No. Lip liner. Yes, people often underestimate the importance of a lip liner. Now lip liners, not just, they have many roles to perform. Some of them I'm going to share today. So first and foremost, lip liners give a definition or a shape to your lips. Now you can make your lips bigger, smaller, or you can even make them look more shapely if you like, if you want to play around. So it's like almost like drawing, yeah, and you can do that. So that really, it gives the lips a when there is lipstick without a lip liner and with a lip liner, you can see a huge difference. That's one more very important thing. Secondly, after that, lip liner is also used for filling in the lips. This is one of the tricks and to make your lipstick last longer. Yes, it really does work. And I have done an exclusive video on lipsticks. I'm going to put a link somewhere up here. But just for now, since we are talking about lip liners, so first, what do the lip liners do? They help in defining and shaping. Then they also help in making your lipstick last longer. And also, because the lip liner outlines your lips, I can show you one here. It prevents bleeding of lipstick. Now you must have seen maybe your own experience, or maybe you saw someone else where the lipstick kind of begins to go down along the edges. So and then you have to wipe it, and it really doesn't look nice. So a lip liner, if you outline your lips, it can actually prevent that, because the excess lipsticks lipstick, it gets absorbed there. So it really does help. So you can use either a pencil sharpening one, or you can use the retractable ones. I just keep playing around with any of them. Alright, so those are the 3 tips about lip liners. Next, going to concealer. So yes, if you have lips which are dark, or they are pigmented, or there's some issue, you know, and you can just apply some concealer on your lips, either with your finger, just dab it gently, or you can use a makeup brush, foundation brush, or a concealer brush to apply that on your lips gently. And what it will do is that it will give a good base to the lips and make your lips neutral. So now in case you want to apply some color, like what happens with me, my lips are already a shade of pink, so some lipsticks, most of the lipsticks look very different from their original color on my lips. So that's something that sometimes I use that, sometimes I don't. So you can use that really neutralizes the base, and then it gives a good, like what's the purpose of a foundation? It's you know, setting up a base for your face or for the makeup. Same thing the concealer can do for the lips. So and now, so 3 tips are over, and I have an extra bonus tip for you. This is an interesting one. Cupid's bow. Can you see this little V here? That's called the Cupid's bow. This little dip here and the V. So I have a well defined Cupid's bow, so I just line it and I don't have to do. Now I have seen a lot of women, we are all different and each one of us is special. So some people don't have the Cupid's bow well defined. So in that case, defining it or drawing it with the lip liner can really give a lot of shape to the lip, and it really changes the entire makeup game. So you can try that. So if you have a well defined Cupid's bow like me, you don't have to worry. In case you feel it's a little not so well defined, then you can use this. So this was a short quick video with about 3 tips and 1 bonus tip. So I hope you like this. And if you like this information, please like, share, subscribe to this channel. Also, I also take makeup consults and consults on, it's my real desire to instill confidence in women, whether it's through external appearance or their internal processes. So in case you're interested, please drop me a line on my mail. I will leave my mail ID. You can get in touch with me. I'm happy to consult one-on-one in case of any queries you have about makeup, styling, confidence, and the rest of them. So thank you so much for watching, and if you're new here, welcome to the family, and for all the returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. It means the world. All the best, stay safe, take care. Thank you.